Go, Ken.
Oo.
Hi! Hi, Deng. Gusto ka din? Hi, we're starting the day at, ano oras na? Starting the day at 4:55 at Starbucks. After class lang. Wait, hindi ko parati nasasabi yung order natin. Wait lang. So, anong order mo?
Sausage wrap.
Ayun. And then I had Belgian waffle lang na may chocolate toppings. And then matcha na over ice na may kape. Matcha na may kape. And then the Tazo one.
Tazo page favorite.
Yeah, fave.
Sa Burger King.
Na Burger King. Starting the day, the week late. It's currently Wednesday already. Nakikita ko. Pero, uy, time siya. So, I'm starting the week late. We're starting it at Wednesday kasi I feel like same lang din naman yung nangyayari pag Monday and Tuesday. Kahapon, like, I went to a meeting lang sa Mall of Asia. So, parang, hindi naman siya something about exciting. And then Monday, we were suspended. I know, kahapon kami suspended. And then nung Monday, wala rin naman gaanong ganap. I only had one class and then I went straight home. Tapos, ngayon, feel ko medyo may ganap. So, I'm starting the week right now. And currently, we're in Starbucks Macapagal. Yeah, along Macapagal lang. Like, the biggest Starbucks in the Philippines. Hindi ko sure. Pero, I'm with my second family again. Hi! Hello! Ayan. By the way pala, for those of you asking kung ano yung product ko in-order sa Starbucks, it's this Tazo. So, meron siya sa baba, like dun sa storage area nila, tapos giant Tazo peach. And then, you ask them na i-transfer siya sa cup and then add 5 pumps of mint. Yun, the best.
Nauna na pang ginala. Nauna niya po sige pa yung upuan bago siya.
Where's the fucking answer? Oh my god, don't be. I'm tired to chipin.
So gusto mo magsabi?
Pati Maya, no. Stop me from temptation. Stop me. Ako pa nangyayari. Ayoko na. Seryoso. Ayoko na gumasta. Ang laki ng ginagawa.
Taji ma'am. Yung taji ma'am, masarap din daw.
Yung ano, yung juju.
On the beat.
Yun, yung binju. Juju. Buti na hindi ako kumain doon. Dapat nilibre ko yung parents ko doon kahapon. Masarap to ah. Buti na lang. Okay, round 2. Round 2, matagal-tagal pa tayo dito. Ilang asking, this is another thing that I got from Starbucks. I only order yung green tea latte over ice. And then yung Tazo kanina yun yung order ko sa Starbucks. So for all of you wondering kung ano yung order ko, yun lang yun.
3 to 5% in any online transactions made purchase of goods or services. Thai government is planning to tax on you.
Ayan yung thesis namin. If you're curious about it, since part na kayo ng thesis namin, groupmates din namin kayo eh. So ayan, gusto to yung patatapos. And then ito yung projected sales. Dito ako pinaka-kinakabahan kasi computation to. And pag computation, super fixed, dapat na makukuha mo ito. Anyway, so yun. So update, it's currently 10 o'clock and nandito pa rin kami. Ano oras kayo dumating dito? 5? So 5 hours na kami dito. And nakaka-second round na kami ng orders. Kiki! RJ Kiki! Time check, we're already having our dinner. Time check.
Nakita mo pa rin na maganda ako.
12:02.
12 na?
12:02 a.m.
Saan tayo kakain?
12 ka pala. Anyway. So, hanap lang kaming food. Baguio feels.
Bagay feels.
Baguio. Korea feels yan. Korea feels.
Ay, sabi ko pa nag-validate.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Baguio feels niya daw yan.
Goko mo pa din kahit yun.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon vlog. It's currently a Thursday and ngayon pa lang yung class ngayong week except yung Monday kasi nga nasuspend nung Tuesday, Wednesday, as I've said before dun sa previous vlog. Dun sa previous days. And nag-thesis kami last night until 1 a.m. and then nag-dinner kami around Mall of Asia lang, like may sisigang dun sa J Cuisine. Napakita ko yata sa inyo. So, nakauwi kami around 3 a.m. Ay, nakauwi ako 2:30 eh. Tapos ikaw 3? Or 2:30 din?
2:30 nasa bahay na.
Okay.
Nakauwi ka maaga.
Nakauwi ako 2.
Siguro 2, tapos ako 2:30.
Okay, so mabilis lang ako sa biyahe kasi. And then, suddenly, parang like there's an accident that happened or parang emergency. Pero we're all good naman. Okay naman na kami and stuff. Wala naman ang mangyari. I just want to update you guys. Wala pa kaming tulog kasi like nangyari, like inasikaso namin siya and stuff. Like until 7 a.m. 6 a.m. Magsa 7 a.m. na. So, from thesis na dapat nasa patulog na kami and then we went somewhere, ganyan, nag-arrange kami ng other things for that and then tapos na kami 7 a.m. So we're not really feeling that better right now. Our agenda dapat is yun nga, magtatayo kami ng exhibit namin for our thesis and stuff pero hindi siya natuloy. Yeah, kasi parang lack of like tables and stuff. So ayun, na-cancel yun. So yun, just gonna update you guys on what happened last night. Pero like, hindi na namin siguro elaborate because like for privacy reasons and stuff. Pero ayun. So we're currently in our School of Design Arts na building and I'm so amazed. Kasi you guys know na medyo mahilig ako sa arts and hindi yun yung course ko. But anyway, ayan, there are paintings around me eh. Like that one is so nice. That one, and that one. And then sa labas, they are painting and naubusan kami. Wait, let me just rant a little. Let's rant Let me just rant a little that this day is not our day. So, nung kumain kami sa CAF, kasi hindi pa kami kumakain, and then kumain kami sa CAF, nabuhos ko yung toyo. So, parang ako, okay, kalma lang, okay, parang. Kasi like, I'm having a worse day, tapos nabuhos ko yung toyo. I mean, sobrang late na bagay. And then, kasi nag-transfer kami ng isang building to another building, and you have to walk pa. Tapos, you know, tough, medyo mabilis siya bumaha. So, I was wearing heels because I'll be attending an event later. So, imagine nyo na lang na basang-basa yung feet ko and everything kasi it was raining and isa lang yung payong namin. So, we're sharing lang and then the traffic and the rain. Tapos isang payong lang, sobrang struggle. And then, pagdating namin dito sa art class namin, naubusan pa kami ng canvas, like the canvas cloth. Kung yun ba yung tawag, I'm not very sure. Naubusan pa kami noon and then sabi ng prof namin, we're just gonna do essay. Which is sad kasi I'm very excited na mag-paint. If you guys don't know, I paint. Yung mga watercolor paint lang. Pero ayun, I paint before kapag may mga free time ako. So ayun, sabi ko, I'm excited to paint. But then pagdating ko, wala pala yung papers. Parang kami ni Danin. Kaya, walang titiban. Ano pa? Tapos nabunggurin ako ng sidecar kanina. So parang this is like not my day. Ivy, say hi. It's my vlog. Say hi.
Hello.
You can say ni hao. No, I know how to introduce myself in Chinese. 大家好. 大家好, what's up? Right. Right. So, ayun. So, parang it's not like a worst day. But, di pa naman tapos yung day namin. We're gonna attend an event pa sa JCAT. So, I'm hoping that it's gonna save our day. It's gonna enlighten our day. So yeah, let's just be optimistic. And ayun, so laban lang. Let's go, Ken! Let's go, Ken! Very detailed. So, ano ibig sabihin?
Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay
Galing-galing talaga.
pwede na kami pag-
Yan yung tawag na canvas na minimalist. This is what it looks like. One hour na lang. Tapos wala pa kaming naiinom. Family channel pala to. Ako hindi. Go lang. Malaysia, pero ang ganda yung pare. Thank you. Yan na isa. It's our defense day and I don't have a voice right now. Wait, groupmates. Wait, RJ. So wish us luck. Looks like that. Oopsie. Thesis defended! Ang sakit ng paa ko. Yay! We're done with thesis. I'm so happy. It went good. Konti lang yung questions. And then, basta masaya. Diba? And sila.
You are our inspiration. Nandito yung pangalan niyo eh.
Guys! Defended na tapos na thesis.
May revisions pa, pero defended na. Okay na. And then my voice is still good. And then ang pangit ng iPhone X. I'm not sure lighting. But anyway, update. Done na. Done na rin yung picture taking. Now we're thinking on where to eat na lang. RJ, saan na tayo kakain? Alam mo, kada may tanong ako sa'yo sa vlog, hindi mo sinasagot.
Tahimik niya lagi sa vlog mo eh.
Oo. Pero madaldal yan. Sobrang daldal niyan.
Oo, sa
Pag naglabas na ako ng sobrang paglabas na ako ng camera, wala na. Smile na lang siya. Uy, madami nagsabi, cute mo daw ah. Oh, yes! Cute daw. Ate, smile naman siya, smile. Good morning, good afternoon. Afternoon na pala. It's Sunday after our thesis day. Nagpahinga lang kami after thesis kasi we're so tired. And right now we're going to Banawe. And I'm with Kevin. Hi Kev. Kasama lang ako sa kanya because like we're not eating our lunch yet. So ayun, tag-ulan na naman. But anyway, yay! Thesis defended! Yay, Kev! Woohoo! Road to PICC agad na. May express to pa tayo. By the way guys, I'm wearing the Roman lip tint. I'm sure you're very familiar with that lip tint. Yun yung pinakasikat na lip tint sa YouTube. But then if you're not familiar with that one, it's this lip tint na galing naman. It's from CHARIS. I'll be putting the link in the description box. Pero, to be honest, ito yung lip tint na parang hindi, siya yung not your typical lip tint na like magkikling lang siya dito sa inner part mo. So, ayun. So, right now, I'm currently having a promo. When you get 2 Roman lip tint, so if you have friend, kunwari, makipag-usap na lang kayo sa friend nyo para mas makatipid kayo. And then, if you guys both, if kayong dalawa gusto nyo to, maghati na lang kayo and stuff. Kasi, if you get 2 Roman lip tints, you're gonna get 50% off shipping fee. So, yung shipping fee nyo going here sa Philippines, imbes na 400 pesos, it's gonna be 200 pesos na lang. And then, pagatian nyo na lang yun. So, ayan, para mas makatipid kayo. Anyway, so if you want to purchase, I'll be putting the link in the description box. favorite sriracha chicken fingers from Buffalo Wings and things. And then honey barbecue for Kevin. And then nachos. And then rice, wala na. And then dirty rice, of course. I have plates. So we're currently still in Banawe, but I'm with another two friends. Hi. Eric. So yeah, we just had milk tea, and if hindi nyo alam, parang month yata ako nag-stop mag-milk tea. Diba? Sobrang, ayan, oh. Diba Eric, ang tagal kong hindi nag-milk tea eh. So yeah, nag-stop ako mag-milk tea kasi parang ang bilis ko mabusog and stuff. Ganyan, and basta, I had to try to stop myself, but you know, no one can resist the taro gongcha. It's the best for me. So if gusto niyo try, this is the taro with pearl na milk tea in size medium. This is one of the best milk tea I've tried so far. Malaman ko saan eh. Anyway, ayun, okay, update. So ayan, tinakas ko na po yung sakyan ni Edwin. Pakita nga.
Hello!
Hi! Pero anyway, yan, tinakas ko na yung sakyan niya, and then on the way lang kami. Nahabol ko lang sila Eric, hindi ko sila makita sa daan eh, pero ayun, update. Anyways, update, nanood kami ng movie na hindi naman nakakaiyak. It was Irreplaceable You. Wala, hindi ako natuwa. Hi! Still with them. Kevin! Still with them. So, ayun. Gusto ko yung naiiyak. Gusto ko yung maiiyak ko. Napanood mo yung Midnight Sun? Midnight Sun. Agulgul ako doon. Naubos yung tissue ko doon. Basta maganda yung Midnight Sun. I swear. So, update time. I'm currently on my second stop for wing for dinner. So, pangalawang wings ko na to for today. It's currently 10:20 p.m. And I'm in Frankie's. Actually, a fan talk about me. No offense for Frankie's lovers, pero mas gusto ko yung buffalo wings and things. This is a Frankie's! We got, nakalimutan ko lang kung ano yun. Thank you so much. This one, honey mustard. Basta alam ko, smoked barbecue, garlic parma. That one is something spicy. Nakalimutan ko na ito, pero yan lang mga